Take a look at this video from north of Boulder today. Well, you get a good idea of just how powerful those winds are. This is off North Foothills Highway. So far, though, proactive measures like the public safety power shutoffs from Xcel appear to be working because no major fires have been reported.
And take a look at this chart from the National Weather Service. It shows where winds will be the strongest across the state and when. The good news is those extreme conditions in the foothills, the boxes that you see there in purple, those are expected to calm down, though moderate to major risks, those are still in place for the rest of the evening.
Our live team coverage continues. Adria Irahita in Boulder tracking wind damage and the power outages there. Also talking to people really feeling the brunt of this storm up there.
But first, let's go to meteorologist Stacey Donaldston. Stacey, these dangerous conditions are going to last several more hours.
It looks like it, yes. There's a cold front entering the state, which is picking up these winds and creating this dangerous situation. The community of Marshall, where we had the Marshall fire in 2021, has had the highest recorded winds so far today at 112 miles an hour, 110 for Sunshine Canyon. All of these in Boulder County. That's where we've seen the strongest winds, still in the 90 to 100 mile an hour range here in parts of the foothills and for the western metro. High wind warnings in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. And this is just to the west of us here, up into the higher elevations, up toward Fort Collins and Red Feather Lakes. So we definitely are going to continue to see high winds as we go through the rest of this evening. Now we have a red flag warning for extreme high fire danger here for the Front Range. That particularly dangerous situation because of the high winds and the extremely dry conditions. This is in effect until midnight tonight. So we'll be watching for this situation to improve once we go through the overnight hours and a system pushes on by. But for now, we have high winds off to our west. Winds are just starting to pick up here for the Front Range. That will increase as we go through the next couple of hours as this front makes its way through the state. Once it passes on by, things will calm down. We'll talk more about what we can expect for the weekend and whether or not that wind will return in just a few minutes.
See you in a little bit. Thank you, Stacey.